Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, today I'm going to be doing a video dedicated to just lip products, and in particular Chinese, Korean lip products that I have been loving, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I just have 4, but literally love them so much, and I just think that I want to recommend them. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video because I want to talk about them. So I got some from China and some from YesStyle. So I'm pretty sure YesStyle sells all of these. So I'll just be linking YesStyle links to all of these products for you guys to check out, because I know how like accessible it is to buy, you know, Japanese, Korean, or Chinese beauty products from them. Not sponsored. So just, you know, providing a pathway to buy these products. But I have 2 from Mistine, 1 from 3CE, 1 from Roman. So Roman and 3CE, I'm pretty sure, are pretty popular brands, Korean beauty brands, and they create a lot of really great lip products. Mistine is like a Chinese brand. Let me start with Mistine first and foremost. The packaging, like, can we just take a moment for the packaging? Like, stunning. Especially this one is silver and pink, and I'm just so freaking obsessed with this because, like, when you take it out of your bag, genuinely, you know, in North America, no brands really have this sort of packaging. So right off the bat, you take it out of your purse and people are gonna be like, what is that? Well, it's a really gorgeous lip glaze. So it says Mistine right here, and this is the Thai like jelly lip tint or glaze lip tint. And this is in the shade J08. And, you know, I had to do a little bit of research on Xiaohongshu, and this is definitely a really great shade. I'm gonna swatch it on my hands first for you guys. So these are basically like lip glosses, so they are a little bit more sheer. I just feel like that's kind of the trend with Asian beauty products. So this is a little bit of like a sheer, cool toned pinky mauve, purpley color, if you will. Stunning. I'm gonna swatch it on my lips quickly as well. So this is what J08 looks like on the lips. So freaking pretty, guys. And this is like 1 coat. So obviously if you want a more pigmented color, you can do 2 coats, but you know, it's perfect for me. And this is just the color right there, the most beautiful pinky color ever. It's so natural and perfect for every day. And the packaging of this spins, so it's just so gorgeous. So different collections of Mistine will have different colors of their packaging, but this is like the most beautiful packaging ever to me. I love it. So this is the first shade, and it's from Mistine. So now let's talk about the second Mistine color that I wanted to share with you all. I'm pretty sure you can buy this off of YesStyle too, hopefully. If not, maybe I'll just like link their website or something if they have one. This is in the color J01, and it's like a nudish color, a nudish tan. So if you prefer those kind of tan terracotta colors, this color would be perfect. So this is just what this color looks like on my hand. That was the first color. This is the second color, and it's just like a lot more light and nude and natural. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna quickly swatch it on my lips right now. So that is what the color looks like right off the bat. You know, very natural tan nude color, perfect for like the office or for school. It's definitely a lot more warmer, very 美拉德风, if you know what I mean. And the packaging is gorgeous as well because it's like this kind of pinky marble. Oh my god, this marble is so stunning. I'm so obsessed with it. Again, these are glosses, so they're not going to tint your lips. I did a video, like a whole video dedicated to the Roman Juicy Lasting tints. You know, they create a lot of lip tints, which are great. They tint your lips a little bit, but these don't. So yeah, these colors don't really stain. So the downside is that you would have to reapply. I'm a fan of tints, but I know it's like a hit or miss. Like, I know some people really don't like tints because I feel like it just doesn't look clean after a while. So these are just plain lip glosses, and they're just so stunning and so glossy, and the quality is amazing. And yeah, no particular smell, just like fragrant, like perfumey. And yeah, let's move on to the more Korean beauty products now. Okay, so this is a new product that I haven't ever talked about before. These are the 3CE style Nanda kind of like liquid lipsticks. Not liquid lipsticks, what am I saying? Solid lip gloss lipsticks, and they are in these really gorgeous like longer tube packaging. and it has like a gradient, and I just think it's so sleek and so beautiful. I have 2 colors, but I just wanted to kind of share this one with you guys first because this is more used out of the 2. Maybe I'll share the second one later on, but this is like the pinkier shade of the 2. This is in Softest. Stunning. I love this color so much. So it looks like this, and then you just twist it for the packaging or the product to come out. So here is what the color looks like in 3CE Softest. It is so stunning, like a really beautiful satiny glossy pink color. So it's a lot more pigmented compared to the Mistine ones. So I'm gonna be swatching it quickly. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The most beautiful, you know, soft cherry blossom pink color. I feel like it's so everyday. Like I love wearing it to work, and I feel like going out as well, it's beautiful because it's so glossy. Oh, and also the best part of this is it has a plumping effect. Like not a plumping effect, like a minty feel. It smells like vanilla, like chocolate vanilla. It smells like cake, and then it has a minty feel, which is like perfect. So yeah, I love this so much because it tingles, it's pigmented, it's glossy, but it's not sticky. Like it's not like a gloss that's sticky. So yeah, I love this series so much. I definitely want to be trying out more shades from this line because I love the consistency. I love how sleek the packaging is as well. It's gorgeous. But yeah, love this so much, and I'm so excited to be wearing this more, and hopefully the other color I have from this line as well. And yeah, it's just beautiful. I don't even want to remove it. Coffee break. Last color, guys, is a Roman lipstick, and this is the, oh my goodness, I'm not sure what kind of lipstick this is called. I'll definitely be linking it down below for you guys. I got this from YesStyle though, and this is in the shade 19. And it's a really beautiful kind of, just beautiful like dragon fruit summer color, if you will. I know this is gonna be so pigmented, guys. Like look at that. So if you are more into like lipsticks, matte consistencies, brighter colors, definitely go for this line, definitely go for this color. And obviously you can blend it out and make it a little bit more wearable, but yeah, this is just kind of what it looks like, and I'll swatch it as well. I do not have a mirror, I'm using my phone, so I'm sorry if it's like out of the lines, but this is just what it looks like on the lips. Perfect like summer color. This is so like K-pop star vibes. So you know, if you like that type of color and look, if you like a more vibrant, higher exposure color, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. And again, the packaging is just super nice and super sleek as well. This is just what it looks like. That's the color on the back of my hand. And yeah, it's a matte lipstick, but it feels very, very comfortable on your lips. Like it's not going to be drying or uncomfortable at all. It doesn't, you know, settle into the fine lines on the lips. It's like a perfect satiny matte lipstick. Like it just feels like satin, doesn't even feel like lipstick. So yeah, love that color so much, as with all of the colors I mentioned in the video today. All right guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you so much if you stayed until the end. I love talking about lip products so much just because it's one of my favorite beauty products. I think I love discovering new brands and new consistencies and different textures of lip products. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the variety that I talked about today, as well as the different brands. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.